Let's drag this last connector over to this screen and done. So, it's time to review this with the team. Seriously? Everyone's so busy. So, if a meeting is out of the question, what do we do now? An email? Nah, they'll never be able to follow that. Notes? Will definitely mess up my design. Keynote? PowerPoint? Nah. There must be a better way to get everyone in sync. I'll check the document one last time to... Wait, what's this? Overflow Stories? Sounds promising. Let's check it out. Seems like I can select areas of the design I want everyone to look at. That's clever. Oh, I can also add context. Check out the new splash screen. Wow, that's helpful. Next, let's walk them through the updated payment flow. And the 3 different versions of the call to action style. Version 1, version 2, version 3. Now, let me publish this and share it with everyone. Trying something new. Follow the story. Fingers crossed everything's clear. What a relief. Seems like everyone's in sync. Fantastic. I am actually ahead of the deadline, and I have enough time to get a coffee. Thanks, Overflow.